Hi, this is an instructional video on how to operate a Sargent and Greenleaf combination lock, series 6700, but it also works on series 6600, which is the three-wheel standard size locks. Okay, let's start by clearing the lock. We're going to turn it counterclockwise a couple times and we're going to stop on 0. My combination is 15, 30, 60. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to turn the lock counterclockwise to 15. If you like, you can stop at every single number. Every time you hit 15, you make a little stop so that way you don't lose track of how many turns you have done. Okay, my next number is 30. So what I want to do is I want to turn the dial to the right, which is clockwise. Once again, you can stop at every number so you can keep track of the turns. My last number is 60, so what I want to do is I'm going to turn once again to the left or counterclockwise. If you like, you can stop at each number. We're going to go twice to 60 and stop there. Okay, the last step is we're going to turn the dial slowly to the right until it comes to a positive stop that indicates that the lock bolt has retracted. So now just turn the handle to your right and that should open up your safe.